I am your Amizhthan. Today in this video we are going to see shortcut trick to multiply any two-digit number with another two-digit number. Friends, please see the full video to know the shortcut trick. If you are new to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and the small little bell icon for notification. Very eager to see that? Let's go. Friends, the first number I have taken is 24 into 31. Before knowing the shortcut method, first we will do in the normal method. In the normal method, the answer we have got is 744. See how much time we have taken to do in the normal method. Now we will do simply and fastly in the shortcut method. Now let's see that. Friends, the first step is we need to multiply these two numbers. That is 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is 6. We need to write 0, 6. And next we need to multiply these two numbers. That is 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is 4. Write 0, 4. Now we need to multiply. First we need to multiply these two numbers. That is 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. Write 12 here. Next we need to multiply these two numbers. That is 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Next, we need to add this 12 and 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. Leave the first digit and write this as 14. Now we need to add 4, 4, 7. See? Friends, see how easily and simply we have done this problem using this shortcut method. You also practice this method at home and you can also do this method very fastly and quickly. Friends, and one important thing, this method is called the umbrella method because when we put an arrow mark here, we will see the umbrella. We can see the diagram of the umbrellas. Now let's see another example to understand it more clearly. Friends, the next number I have taken is somewhat bigger. That is 46 into 35. As I said before, first we need to multiply these two numbers. That is 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Write 12 here. The next step is we need to multiply these two numbers. That is 6 into 5. 6 into 5 is 30. Write 30 here. Now we need to multiply these two numbers first. That is 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Write 18 here. Next these two numbers. That is 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Write 20 here. Now we need to add these two numbers. That is 20 plus 18 is equal to 38. Leave this one digit and write 38. Now we need to add it. Carry 1 here. 6, 1. Now we have got the answer simply and easily. The answer we have got is 1610. See how simple it is. Now we will see another example to understand it more clearly. Friends, the last number I have taken is 94 into 99. As I said before, first we need to multiply these two numbers. 9 into 9 is 81. Write 81 here. Then 4 into 9. 4 into 9 is 36. Write 36 here. Now we need to multiply these two numbers. 4 into 9 is 36. And 9 into 9 is 81. 81. Now when we add 81 36 is equal to 117 plus 117. 6,0,3,9. Friends, see how easily, simply and fastly we have done this large multiplication sum. So the answer is 9306. Hope you like this trick and also the video. Give your valuable likes and comments to good more interesting math shortcut tricks like this, and don't forget to share to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye friends.